Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E32s, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate of this Motorola. First of all, go into settings. Now scroll down just a bit and click on display. After that, tap on Advanced at the bottom. Scroll all the way down again and tap on Screen Refresh Rate. Finally, just click on the best option for you in order to apply it. In my case, this one. So now when I click on Home button, as you can see, screen refresh rate of my Motorola has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!